Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm in my office and I'm going to be doing an office tour. But before I do that, I got a new Fandelier that was sent to me and I'm going to be finishing that up. I've got all these little crystals here that I've got to put on. This is a retractable fan and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm super excited to get it finished so that I can go ahead and do the tour. This fan was sent to me by Light Times. It's an Amazon seller and it is really, really pretty. As I said, it's a retractable fan. It's 42-inch blade. And I'm like so happy to have it. It is so pretty. Installation was really easy. It didn't take any longer than, a regular ceiling fan. The most tedious part, of course, is putting the crystals on, but it's all worth it. Okay, the fan is all set. She looks gorgeous. But before we go into that, let's go ahead and take a look around the office. Now, the office is styled with a lot of my decor pieces that you've probably seen if you've been watching my channel, because I move things from one room to the other all the time, and the office is no exception. I'm so proud of my little pilea. I think that's what it's called. It's a friendship plant, and I got it when it was teeny, and it is growing and doing so well, and I'm so excited about that. You see my broken pearl. That's my horse here that I also move around my home. I love her. This is my favorite place to have her, though, is in my office. I'm a collector of mugs, and I used to purchase mugs from Starbucks in every country that I went to. I haven't been buying them lately because I'm just storing them in here, so they're really kind of like not serving a purpose, though. But that's what's down in there. Is a lot of stuff that I don't use a whole lot, but I don't want to get rid of them. I got this cabinet a couple years ago at a garage sale, and I just redid it, repainted, and I had to replace a couple pieces of the glass in here. But I love this piece in my office. It allows me to kind of display books or decor, whatever I want to put in there. Super cute, I think. And it has a light in it, which is also very nice. More and more I'm getting into crafting, and I'm having struggles with where to store my crafting materials. Right now I have them in these baskets here, but they're both crammed to capacity, so I'm going to have to find another solution. This table here is another piece that I've had for many years, and it has been many colors. I paint it whenever I get ready to match wherever I'm going to be putting it, but it was a thrifted piece from some years ago. It's been purple, it's been silver, it's been so many different colors. But that's a very sturdy staple piece in my home, whatever color it is. And here she is. This is the new star of this room. Like I mentioned, this is a 42-inch crystal Fandelier with dimmable lights, and it has a 6-speed fan on here. It is very, very quiet, which is very nice. I do see a little bit of vibration of the crystals when it's on the high speed, but I don't hear any noise at all. They're not clanking or, you know, clicking together or whatever. So that part is good, but this thing is pretty, y'all. I don't want to just keep saying it, but it's pretty. When the fan is off, the blades retract and it just looks like a regular chandelier. It comes with these gloves to help you to keep your crystals clean, and also a remote control to operate it. This fan also comes in black and I believe chrome and silver, and they also have other styles of the Fandeliers available on their website, which is through Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to check the description box for more information about this Fandelier from Lifetimes, and a special thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. If you are just coming over and meeting me for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave today. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And to all my returning family members, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.